In the chapter cell division, one cell grows and then cell division takes place. There are two types of cell division, that is mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis takes place in the body cell, meiosis takes place in the germ cell. In the mitosis, what is the definition of mitosis? It is the type of cell division in which mother cell produces two daughter cells. These two daughter cells are genetically identical. It is the type of cell division in which chromosome number remains constant. That means 2n is equal to 2n. For example, 2n is 46 when in the human body cell. What happens? Daughter cells. Two daughter cells also consist how many chromosomes? 46, 46. मानवी शरीरातील ज्या पेशी आहेत जर्म सेल सोडून बाकीच्या पेशीमध्ये मायटोसिस नावाचं पेशी विभाजन होतं. म्हणजे एका पेशीच्या दोन पेशी तयार होतात ज्याच्यामध्ये केंद्रकात असणाऱ्या गुणसूत्राची संख्या तेवढीच राहते डॉटर सेल मध्ये. ह्यूमन बॉडी न्यूक्लियस बॉडी सेल न्यूक्लियस मध्ये हाऊ मेनी क्रोमोसोम्स आर प्रेझेंट इन द ह्यूमन बॉडी सेल न्यूक्लियस? यस, 46. Each and every organism consists different number of chromosomes into the nucleus. Here single cell originate when म्हणजे पेशी जेव्हा जन्माला येते त्यावेळेला कोणती फेज सांगा? G0. G0 converted into interphase. Interphase is the first phase. Interphase is the resting phase. In the resting phase, what happens? Cell, after production of cell, there is the growth of cell takes place. Metabolic activities are occur. Cell organelles are produced, and after that, cell growth, cell organelles duplicate. That is the G1 phase. It occurs near about 6 to 8 hours. The next phase, that is called as S phase. In the S phase, prominently DNA replicates. That means the DNA, total number of DNAs which are present on the chromosome, which are duplicates and or replicates. One DNA produces two DNA. Like that way, total number of DNA get duplicated or replicated in the S phase. Therefore, that phase is called a synthetic phase or S phase. After S phase, what happens? After S phase, that cell enters into next phase, that is called a G2 phase. Near about for 2 to 5 hours. Which phase? G2 phase. After G2 phase, that cell enters into cell division phase. That cell division, actual cell division occurs in this phase. And the phases of cell division are 4. That is prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. Pro means first, meta middle, ana it is the middle between meta and telo means last phase. Last in this phase, cell divides. Actually, in which phase cell divides? M phase. M, that means mitotic phase. Here M phase, mitotic phase, and first three phases are G1, G2, and G1, S, and G2. How many main phases are there in the cell division? 4 main phases. First, interphase, that is the resting phase. First phase, G1. Next, S. Next, G2. And last, M. That means mitotic phase. In the mitotic phase, how many subphases are there? First, prophase. Next, metaphase. Next, anaphase. And last, telophase. In that way, one cell grows. In their lifespan, what happen? Cell synthesized, grows, cell get synthesized, then resting phase, cell metabolism takes place, cell grow, cell organelles also grow, and then first phase, that is G1. In that G1 phase, cell organelles replicated. In the S phase, DNA replicated. In the G2 phase, what happens? Protein synthesis takes place. And next cell enters into the M phase, which consists 4 subphases, that is prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. And after that M phase, one cell get converted into one mother cell get converted into 2 daughter cells. In the mitosis, 2 daughter cells are produced at the end of cell division, and in the meiosis, 4 daughter cells are produced at the end of meiosis. At the end of mitosis, how many daughter cells are produced? 2. And at the end of meiosis, how many daughter cells are produced? 4. Mitosis is the equational division, that means 2n is equal to 2n, and meiosis is equal to reduction division, that means 2n is equal to n. What happens in the reduction, division or meiosis? 46 number get reduced into 23, but in mitosis 46 remains 46. Therefore it is called as equational division and meiosis is called as reductional division. Reduction अर्धा होणं, equational आहे थोडासा मागे. पेशी विभाजनाचे हे दोन मुख्य प्रकार असतात, मायटोसिस आणि मेयोसिस. पण त्याच्यापूर्वी सेल सायकल मध्ये आपण ज्या फेजेस बघितल्या त्याच्यामध्ये सेल तयार होते, तिची वाढ होते, ती नंतर G1 फेज मध्ये एंटर करते, त्याच्यानंतर S फेज मध्ये एंटर करते, त्याच्यानंतर G2 मध्ये एंटर झाली की त्याच्यात थोडं नंतर म्हणजे फुल वाढ होते पेशीची पूर्ण, की पेशी विभाजनासाठी तयार होते आणि मग विभाजन होते ऍक्च्युअली किती फेजेस मध्ये? 4. प्रोफेज, मेटाफेज, एनाफेज, टेलोफेज. आणि त्याच्यानंतर एका पेशीच्या किती पेशी पाहायला मिळतात आपल्याला? दोन पेशी तयार झालेल्या पाहायला मिळतात. की ज्या पेशी मायटोसिस मध्ये जशी मदर सेल आहे अगदी एक्झॅक्ट तशाच डॉटर सेल तयार होतात. म्हणून आयडेंटिकल जेनेटिकल पेअर. मायटोसिस मध्ये जशी मदर सेल आहे तशाच आपल्याला दोन डॉटर सेल तयार झालेले दिसतात. पण मेयोसिस मध्ये चेंज असतो. मदर सेल जशी आहे तशाच फोर डॉटर सेल तयार होतील का? नाही. वेगळ्या डॉटर सेल तयार होतात ज्याच्यामध्ये जेनेटिक कंपोजिशन वेगळं असतं. What is the importance of cell cycle? Cell cycle gives you the knowledge about the cell growth and cell division, and for the growth of any organism that cell cycle is important. Is it clear to you? Yes, clear.